Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Varda Singh
And my name is Cynthia.
and today we're going to talk about polynomials. So let's begin. So first let's see these terms. What are these? So first we will see what is a constant. A constant is a number which has a fixed value. Which has a fixed value. For example, we can say that 3 is a constant, 4 over 5 is a constant, and etc. Okay, now variable. What is a variable? It's a number which can take various numerical values. For example, like x, y, z, or etc. Here in x, we can put any value. Like we can say x is 1 or 2. We can put any value for y also and for z. So this is known as a variable. Algebraic expression. It's a combination of constant and variables which is connected by by signs, by a plus sign, by subtraction sign, by multiplication, or by division. For example, 2x plus 7 is a algebraic expression because it has a constant and a variable and it is connected by a sign. So now let's see what are terms. Several parts of an algebraic expression which are separated by a plus or minus sign are called terms. It's also same as algebraic expression, but a term is which is separated by only a plus and minus sign. In algebraic expression, it can be any sign. For example, like 3x plus 2. It is a term because 3x plus 2 is a term. No, sorry. Here it's now it became an algebraic expression. Only 3x and 2 are terms, where 2 is a constant and 3x is a variable, and this whole becomes an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Okay, so now we will look at the coefficient of a term. What do I mean by coefficient of a term? Let's say 8x square. So here 8 is the numerical coefficient. 8 is a numerical coefficient. Numerical coefficient, and x square is the literal coefficient. Literal coefficient. I think you understand a numerical because it has a value, it's a number, and literal because it's an alphabet or it's an variable. So now moving on to the next part, like terms. Like terms are the terms that have the same literal coefficients. Let's take 8xy, 9xy, and 10xy. They are like terms because they have the same literal coefficient. Here you can see the literal coefficient is xy, here also, and here also. So they are like terms. Unlike terms. It's so like here there were same. So here in unlike terms there are different literal coefficients. For example, 5x, 2x square, and 3x cubed. So here we can see that x square, and 3 and x cubed, they are different, so they are unlike terms. Now what is a polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers, and that means polynomial shouldn't have a fraction or negative numbers. Like here for polynomials, it shouldn't have a fraction. The number shouldn't have a fraction and negative numbers. Like for example, we can take example that 4x cubed plus 2x plus 1 is a polynomial. Whereas we can see that 3x cubed plus 4x plus 5 over x plus 6x to the power 3 over 2 is not a polynomial, because here it has fractions and negative numbers. So that's why it's not called a polynomial. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.